People were screaming. The bridge was breaking. And the train was still moving. Fast. Nobody knew what to do. But one young man stood up. And in the next few minutes, everything changed. Hello, and welcome to Echo English Stories. Learn English through powerful, emotional, unforgettable stories. Today's story is called The Train Was About to Fall. Then, one young man did the impossible. Listen carefully, because courage is not about being fearless. It's about acting when everyone else freezes. His name is Adrian. He is 26 years old. Calm, quiet. He works as a mechanic. That morning, he takes the train home after a long day. People are tired. Some sleep. Some watch their phones. Everything feels normal until suddenly, the train shakes violently. People look around, confused. The lights flicker. Then, another violent shake. A woman screams. The train slows down suddenly. Outside, rain is falling hard. And ahead of them, part of the bridge is collapsing. Passengers stand up. Fear spreads fast. What's happening? Someone starts crying. A child holds his mother tightly. The train driver tries to stop the train, but something is wrong. The brakes are failing. Adrian looks outside. The broken bridge is getting closer. Too close. People panic. Some freeze. Some scream. But Adrian notices something. The emergency manual system. Old. Hidden. Dangerous. An employee shouts, "Nobody touch that!" But Adrian already understands. If nobody acts, everyone may die. His hands shake. His heart pounds. But he moves forward. The train shakes again. Harder. People fall. Rain hits the windows violently. Adrian forces open the emergency panel. Smoke. Sparks. Metal noise. He grabs the manual brake lever. But it doesn't move. He pulls harder. Nothing. Again. Nothing. His hands start bleeding. Passengers watch in silence. Fear everywhere. Then a little boy whispers, "Please." Adrian closes his eyes and pulls with all his strength. Screech! The train screams against the rails. People hold onto seats. The entire train shakes violently. Closer. 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 Then suddenly, silence. The train stops, just meters before the broken bridge. Nobody moves at first, only heavy breathing. Rain outside. Then slowly, people realize they are alive. A woman starts crying. Others clap. Some hug each other. The little boy runs to Adrian. "You saved us," he says. Emergency teams arrive. People surround Adrian. "You're a hero." But Adrian shakes his head, still breathing hard. "I was just scared too," he says. But someone had to move. Weeks later, the story is everywhere. News channels, internet, newspapers. But Adrian returns to his simple life. Until one day, he receives a letter. Inside, a photo of all the passengers smiling, and one sentence: "Because of you, we are still here." Adrian looks at the photo quietly, then smiles. Not proud, not famous, just happy. Because that day, he didn't become a hero. He simply chose courage when it mattered most. Heroes are not born different. Sometimes they are ordinary people who refuse to give up. If you enjoyed this story, subscribe to Echo English Stories. Listen again. Feel the emotion. Learn naturally. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And remember, one brave decision can save many lives.